Good morning. Welcome to English virtual class. In our previous lecture, we discussed about different sports activities and the qualities of a good sportsmanship. Today, we will start with our first chapter, A True Friend. We all have friends, but some of among them are our best friends. What qualities do you look in your best friend? Like, first of all, he should be honest, helpful, kind hearted, etc. True friends play a big role in our lives. Only good friends show us the right path and help us at the time of need. True friends is the greatest of all blessings. Let me tell you the story of a true friend related to your English reader book. This is a story about Rahul and Raj. They both were best friends and studying in class 4. Rahul was good at sports but poor in studies. But Raj was good at both. They often had a cycling contest and Raj always won the contest. As a result, Rahul became jealous of Raj. The sports day was near and everyone was practicing for it. Rahul and Raj were very good at athletics and they also participated in race. And Rahul was determined to win. Slowly, he started talking lesser and lesser with Raj. Raj asked many times, but Rahul gave excuses. One day before the sports day, Rahul hit upon a plan to defeat Raj. He went to the ground before anyone had arrived there. He dug a small pit on the path where Raj was supposed to run. He covered it with leaves and went back to his classroom. When the race started, Raj was ahead of Rahul. But after some time, Raj stepped on the pit and fell down. He was seriously injured. Rahul overtook him. Rahul was very happy as his plan had worked. Rahul won the trophy. His parents were also very happy. But now Rahul was not happy. He started feeling that he had cheated his best friend. He went to the principal's room and admitted that he had dug the pit to win the trophy. And principal asked Rahul to be friends again. Besides, you must study very hard. Rahul went to Raj and apologized to him and agreed to be friends again. After some days, a class test was held. Rahul gave a poor performance. His principal said that this is your last chance. If you do not perform well in the term and examination, you will be punished. Rahul cried bitterly. Raj came to him and said, Rahul, do not worry. This is just a class test. Start work hard from now onwards and you will do much better in the term and exams. Rahul thanked Raj. He worked hard and also Raj also helped him. When the term and examination result was announced, everyone was surprised to see that Rahul had not only topped in the class but beaten Raj as well. It was the happiest day of Rahul's life. He thanked Raj and his principal was also very happy with their results. After this, Rahul and Raj remained true friends ever after. So, this is the story. So, what lesson do you learn from this story? We should never be jealous of our friends and never cheat them. Before moving further, let me first tell you how you have to make an index. As you have only one notebook for English, there are 2 pages for index. First page for reader book and second for grammar work, as you can see in these images. Now, difficult words. If you have a book with you, mark the highlighted words as difficult words in your book, then write it in your notebook. If you don't have a book, note it down in your reader copy. Those who have not having the books, no problem. You can maintain one copy, watching the videos again and again. Write your page number and the answers in that notebook. And whenever you'll get the books, it is easy for you to complete your work. Thank you.